What's going on, everybody? This is Demetrius Harris, your DAC funding broker, and on this channel, I help business owners get access to funding in all types of industries. If you own a pool service company, pool cleaning business, pool maintenance business, pool repair company, or a pool installation service and need money for equipment, payroll, trucks, chemicals, operations, or growth, this video is for you. Before we get started, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more funding content. Let's get into it. A lot of pool service business owners are bringing in customers and generating revenue, but they still run into cash flow pressure when it is time to cover payroll, buy chemicals, repair equipment, keep trucks on the road, handle supplies, or expand the business. In this video, I'm going to break down how pool service funding works, what lenders usually look for, common mistakes to avoid, and how the right capital may help your pool service business grow stronger. Let's start with the reality of running a pool service business. This industry takes capital to operate. You have payroll, fuel, trucks, chemicals, equipment, insurance, maintenance, licensing, marketing, repairs, and daily operating costs. On top of that, many pool service businesses need money for vacuums, filters, pumps, testing kits, cleaning tools, service vehicles, trailers, inventory, and seasonal working capital. Even when work is steady, these costs can still put pressure on cash flow. This is why access to funding can make such a major difference. There are many reasons pool service owners seek funding. Some need money for payroll. Some need working capital for daily operations. Others need funds for trucks, equipment, pool, chemicals, replacement, parts, inventory, marketing, hiring more techs, expanding routes, or taking on bigger commercial accounts. Some owners need funding to stabilize operations. Others need it because they are ready to grow. The right funding can help with both. One of the biggest challenges in the pool service business is timing. You may have customers en route and jobs booked, but expenses still hit before every dollar comes in. Payroll still has to be covered. Fuel still has to be purchased. Chemicals still have to be stocked. Trucks still need repairs. Equipment still needs replacing. So even a profitable pool business can feel cash flow pressure. Funding can help bridge that gap and keep the business moving without interruptions. One of the most important types of funding for pool service businesses is working capital. Working capital is flexible funding that can be used for day-to-day business expenses. That may include payroll, fuel, chemicals, insurance, marketing, repairs, rent, utilities, and general operations. This can be extremely important because pool businesses often deal with seasonal changes, route growth, maintenance costs, and unpredictable service needs. Working capital helps create breathing room and stability. Some pool service companies also need funding for equipment and vehicles. That can include service trucks, vans, trailers, pumps, vacuums, pressure system, testing equipment, repair tools, water treatment gear, and route support equipment. Equipment or vehicle funding can help you get what your business needs without paying the full cost all at once. That helps protect cash flow while still supporting operations. and growth. Pool service businesses need consistent access to chemicals and supplies, chlorine, shock, tabs, balancing chemicals, filters, pumps, fitting parts, and cleaning supplies all cost money. When route volume grows, these costs grow too. If you do not have enough capital to keep inventory stocked, service quality can slip and customer satisfaction can drop. Funding can help you stay stocked and stay ready without draining your cash reserves. Another major challenge in the pool service business is labor. If you want to grow your route book, take on more pools, or expand into repairs and commercial work, you may need more techs, drivers, and support staff. But payroll comes before the full return from growth always shows up. That is why labor expansion can create pressure on cash flow. Funding can help support staffing and route growth without putting the whole business under stress. Pool businesses often deal with strong seasonality. Warmer months can bring higher demands, while slower seasons may still come with fixed expenses. Growth during peak seasons can be a blessing, but it also creates pressure. You may need more trucks, more chemicals, more labor, and more marketing. Expansion takes money before the full return shows up. That is why access to funding can be such a major advantage. It helps pool service owners move on opportunities instead of missing them because of limited capital. Now, let's talk about what lenders usually look for when reviewing a pool service business for funding. First, they often look at time in business. Second, they look at monthly revenue and whether deposits are consistent. Third, they may review your cash flow, bank activity, existing debt, and personal credit profile. The key thing to understand is that lenders usually look at the full business picture, not just one factor by itself. A lot of pool service owners think if their credit is not perfect, they do not have a chance. That is not always true. Credit matters, but so do revenue, deposits, time in business, cash flow, and overall business strength. So if your pool business is bringing in steady revenue and showing real business activity, you may still have options available. That is why it is important not to count yourself out too early. One of the biggest mistakes pool service owners make is waiting too long. They wait until a truck breaks down, payroll gets tight, chemicals are low, or a growth opportunity is already slipping away. Another mistake is not knowing their numbers. You should know your monthly revenue, major expenses, debt obligations, and exactly what the funding will be used for. Other mistakes include mixing business and personal finances too. Many overdrafts, weak record keeping, and applying for the wrong type of funding. If you want to improve your approval odds, keep your business deposits consistent. Separate business and personal finances. Reduce overdrafts and negative bank activity. Keep your records organized. Know your average monthly revenue. Have a clear use for the funds. And do not wait until your business is already under heavy pressure before exploring options. Pool service owners who prepare early usually put themselves in a stronger position. Let's say your pool service company is getting more route accounts, but you need another truck, more chemicals, better equipment, and stronger payroll support to keep up. Funding may help you make those moves without draining your operating cash. Or maybe you want to expand into repairs, commercial pools, or a second service area, but you need capital first. The right funding may help you move on that opportunity with more confidence. The right funding can help a pool service business grow in a major way. It can help you add trucks, stock chemicals, support payroll, strengthen cash flow, improve equipment, expand routes, add services, and take on bigger opportunities. It can also help you avoid turning down work just because you do not have enough capital to support the growth. When used strategically, funding can help move your business from just maintaining operations to scaling with confidence. At the end of the day, pool service funding can be a powerful tool when used the right way. Whether you need money for payroll, trucks, chemicals, equipment, working capital, operations, or growth. The key is understanding your options and positioning your business the right way. Funding should not only be looked at as a last resort, it can also be a smart strategy to strengthen your operation and support long-term growth. If you own a pool service business, need funding for payroll, trucks, chemicals, equipment, operations, or growth, check the link in the description to see what options may be available for your business. And make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more funding content. And I will see you in the next video.